Chapter 2: Computer Software. Introduction. A computer is a machine that does not have its own intelligence. It cannot work by just putting the hardware components together. It needs our instructions to work. A computer without instructions is like a bus without a driver. These sets of instructions are called programs. These programs are written in computer languages. Software refers to a set of sequential instructions that are required to run or operate computer effectively. Software is the intangible part, means that cannot be seen or touched. Types of software. Software. System software. Operating system. Programming language translator. In this we see Windows, Unix, Linux, MacOS, interpreter, compiler, assembler, antivirus, backup utility software, disk formatting, utility programs, application software, general purpose, word processing software, spreadsheet software, desktop publishing software, education software. Specific purpose. 1. System software. These software are the programs that control the internal working of the computer. They are designed to provide a platform for running application software. They act as an interface between the user and the hardware components. System software are of two types: operating system and utility programs. Operating system. An operating system, OS, is the system, the software that manages computer hardware and software resources and provides common services for computer programs. It is essential for the working of a computer. All computer programs, excluding firmware, require an operating system of function. Computer hardware. Operating system. Application software. User. The operating system is also required to run software like Paint, MS PowerPoint, MS Word, etc. Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac, etc. are some popular operating system. Functions of operating system. The main functions of an operating system are: runs software. An operating system runs the application software like MS Excel, MS Access, Paint, etc. Device management. An operating system controls the working of all input and output devices. Processor management. It manages the working of the processor by allocating various jobs to it. Memory management. Whenever required, an operating system assigns memory to various programs. When memory is not in use, it becomes free and available to use. File management. It keeps track of data or information regarding creating, deleting, copy, transfer and storage of files or folders in a systematic way. Security. We can make our own password of our system to prevent misuse of a computer. 2. Utility programs. These are the small programs that help in the maintenance of the computer system. Operating system contain a number of utilities for managing disk drives, printers, and other devices. Utilities differ from applications mostly in terms of size, complexity, and function. We can buy various utility programs from licensed computer stores. Some utility programs are also available free of cost on the internet. Disk defragmenter, disk cleanup, antivirus software, etc. are some system utility programs. A. Antivirus utility. They provide protection to our computer from malware, including viruses, computer worms, and Trojan horses. Antivirus software may also remove malicious programs. B. Backup. It is a process of recovering data in case of damage or accidental loss. It simply means creation of copy of data on some storage media such as CD, pen drive, etc. C. Compression. It helps in reducing the size of files to save disk space. These files cannot be read directly and must be decompressed to their actual form before use. Example: WinZip, PKZIP, 7-zip, etc. 2. Application software. An application software is a program that runs on the system software and allows a user to do general as well as specific tasks for users. They help a user in doing various functions such as word processing, creating databases, making calculation, arranging data in an organized way. Computer languages are used to make these types of software. Application software is of two types. I. General purpose. 2. Specific purpose. I. General purpose software. These are the software that have been designed for use by people for general purpose such as word processing, designing, making presentation, etc. A. Word processing software. It helps us to create professional-looking documents quickly and efficiently. It includes many features through which we can change the text according to our need. We can easily add, delete, rearrange and also take print out of the document as required. Example: Notepad, WordPad, MS Word, etc. B. Electronic spreadsheet. Spreadsheets are useful in various fields. They are used in business. They are used by engineers and scientists for performing complex calculations. It is used for making bills, creating new document, organize numerical data. Some of its application areas are cost accounting, financial accounting, etc. Example: OpenOffice Calc, MS Excel, Lotus 123, etc. 2. Specific purpose software. These software are created for a specific purpose or for a particular person or firm requirement. These software are for all computers users. Desktop publishing software. This application helps us to combine both text and graphic features to design professional documents like newsletters, printed forms, advertisement, books, brochures, magazines, etc. Example: PageMaker, CorelDRAW, InDesign, etc. Graphics, multimedia and presentation software. It is a known fact that pictorial representation provides a better way to understand the concept. This has become possible with the aid of various graphics, multimedia and presentation software. Graphics software. Graphics software refers to a program that enables a person to manipulate images or models visually on a computer. It is used to create images such as photographs, charts, cartoons, etc. Example: Adobe Photoshop, Paint, Dreamweaver, etc. Multimedia software. Software that allows us to using a mixture of sound, pictures, film and writing is called multimedia software. They are used to create video, animation, sound etc. Example, Windows Media Player, VLC Player. Presentation software. It is a software package used to display information in the form of a slideshow. It has three major functions: an editor that allows text to be inserted and formatted, a method for inserting and manipulating graphic images, and a slideshow system to display the content. These softwares lets you create slides, charts, animation, and video clips. Example, MS PowerPoint, Adobe Flash etc.